Hi, now we are going to learn about how to track email link click. Okay, so for this we need a tag manager. This is my demo tag manager, and we need a website. Okay, this is my demo website. Okay, first go to the trigger section and create a new trigger. Just select, click all elements, email link trigger. Okay, just name email link trigger. Okay, now go to the preview section. Yeah, this is my demo website connecting. It's taking some time. Yeah, it's connected. Okay, it's connected. Okay, click on the contact us page and find the email link. This is my email link, and click on this. Okay, yeah, this email link. Okay, click on variable. Yeah, this is my click URL, and it start from mail to. Now we are going to create a trigger specifically. Okay, before we said just link click anywhere. If anyone click any link, so it's will fire. Okay, now we are going to make it specific. It's mail to, start from mail to. We can use this total email address if you have only one email address in your website. If you have multiple email address, so it's not work. So we will create just mail to, because every email link start will be the from mail to. Okay, so just save. Okay, now go to the tag section and create a tag. New tag, it's for GA4 event. It's measurement ID, I have created it before. GA4 measurement ID, email link click. Okay, no need the parameter, just set up the trigger. Okay, email link click trigger. Name the tag email link click tag. Okay, it's for GA4, that's why I am writing GA4 email link click tag. Just save. Good habit is good to publish, because if you don't publish, it will not work others browser, just it will work on your browser. Okay, yeah, now go to the workspace and preview again preview. Yeah, it's connecting, needs some time. Yeah, go to the contact us page and find the email address and click on it. Okay, yeah, this is email link click fire. Okay, yeah, thank you so much.